Hey guys, look who wants to join us for algebra today. Think we should let the dogs play? Alright, as long as you guys can be quiet and behave, better than these kids. Alright, all set up. How you guys holding up? Got another lesson for you dropping this morning, and it'll be a quick one. So, without any further ado, let's get going. Solving rational equations, day 2. So we're going to hit the same thing we did yesterday. We're going to add a little bit more flavor to it. You take a look at here. This is what we did yesterday. We find the LCD, multiply by the LCD, solve the equation that's remaining, check the extraneous solutions. Now we're going to add one more layer, one more level to that. We are going to be factoring denominators first, then continue exactly like we did yesterday. So everybody's favorite topic, factoring. I know you're so excited sitting at home. You hear that word. I can hear the joy coming through the devices, and I'm about 12 hours out before you're even going to watch it. So here we go. Number 1, step 1, factor the denominator. I got everybody's favorite type of factoring, difference of perfect squares, because it's nice and easy. No factoring needed here, no factoring needed here. Done with step 1. Step 2, find the LCD. Well, here I got an x minus 4 and an x plus 4. Here I have an x minus 4. Here I have an x plus 4. So my LCD is just going to be that, x minus 4, x plus 4. That's my LCD. And as we talked about on Wednesday, I use my LCD to find my extraneous solutions because my denominator cannot be 0. So what would make the denominator 0 here? If I had a 4 or if I had a negative 4, those are my extraneous solutions. That's what that would work out to be. And I cannot have 0 in my denominator, so I cannot have 4 or negative 4 in my final answer. All right, step 3, multiply by the LCD. So everything here, let me get that out of my way. I'm going to multiply everything by x minus 4, x plus 4. Everything in this here, x minus 4, x plus 4. Every term I have gets multiplied by my LCD. And this is where the magic happens. I've got an x minus 4 in my numerator. I got an x minus 4 in my denominator. Guess what? No more x minus 4s. I got an x plus 4 and an x plus 4. No more x plus 4s. There's nothing left here. That 3 is all alone. Next fraction. X minus 4, x minus 4. I got an x plus 4 left over. Now I get my distribution. 5 times x minus 4 gives me 5x plus 20. All the way over here, x plus 4. I got an x minus 4 left. I'm distributing that 8. And we're good. So that is step 3. That's multiplying by your LCD. Step 4, solve the equation. Whatever equation is left here, we're going to solve it. Again, I told you my personal preference is about getting variables on the left. If you want to make your variable positive, move it to the right. You should get the same answer. I've got a like terms I'm going to combine together here first. I've got, oops. Divide. Answer. Is that answer on my extraneous list? No, it's not. I am done. Moving along. And I've got to do the next part. Next problem, here we go. Number 2. Step 1, factor those denominators. I've got some fast factoring here. What multiplies to negative 28 and adds to positive 3? 28, 7, 4, x plus 7, x minus 4. I've got my perfect squares. I've got more fast factoring. What multiplies to positive 28 adds to negative 11. Again with the 7 and the 4s, but you got to watch your signs. Minus 7, minus 4 is getting it done over there. So there I've got step 1 done. All my factors, all my denominators factored. Step 2, LCD. Let's see, I got the x plus 7, x minus 4, x minus 7, x. I've got 3 things that are showing up here. I got an x plus 7, I got an x minus 4, I got an x minus 7. Those are just repeats, so I got 3 of them. Count them, 3 factors in my LCD. So that means I have 3, count them, 3 extraneous solutions. X cannot be negative 7, x cannot be positive 4, and x cannot be positive 7. Those are my extraneous solutions. If they show up at the end, we'll deal with them. So now, here we go. Everything gets multiplied by the LCD. Now, I've got x plus 7, x minus 7, x minus 4. Little typo there. So x plus 7, x minus 4. I got an x minus 7 left. I got a 4 here. That gives me 4x minus 28. Second fraction, going to multiply by all of those. I'm going to give myself a little bit of room because it's getting tight. So here we go. X plus 7, x minus 4, x minus 7, x minus 7's gone. X plus 7's simplify to be 1. Don't use that evil word. Now here I got distribution like we talked about yesterday. Think about that as a negative 5. That's going to give me minus 5x. Negative is plus 20. Moving on. I've got those same 3, x plus 7, x minus 4, x minus 7. The plus 7, excuse me, the minus 7 gone. The minus 4, the plus 7 remains. 9x plus 63. Oh, baby. I'm going to pause right there, take a breath. Hopefully you guys are doing the same thing. Again, I'm doing the same thing over and over and over again. I have factored the denominator. Find the LCD, multiply by the LCD. That's the 3 steps. From here, I have an equation to solve. This is some easy peasy stuff. Minus x minus 8 add the 7 over here, add that 7 over there, that's going to give me 72. No, that's not right. That's what I get for trying to do this too fast in my head. It's going to give me 71. Divide. Answer. Is that on my extraneous list? No, it's not. All right. There you have it. There you are, boys and girls. That's our lesson for today. Again, very similar to what we did yesterday with the factor denominators at the top. And then we continue just like we did. Again, hope you're looking out even over the weekend. You got questions, you got comments, you got issues, hit me up on whatever. I'm getting emails, I'm getting hangouts, I'm getting comments on Google Classroom. Make sure you're reaching out to me. You got questions, you got comments, you got issues. And I will talk to you guys on Monday. Have a good one.